I wish I could be honest to the man in the mirror and keep a solid promise, but he always disappears. He's gone way too fast, can't keep up. I'm running